Breaking news right now from the Pakistan High Commission. There are reports of a person who has entered with a cake at the Pakistan High Commission. Despite repeated requests, the person did not share his details or designation. This is the big breaking update that is coming in. The person is from the Pakistan High Commission. However, his designation is not clear. And my colleague Shivani confronted this guy who was taking this cake inside. Take a look.
कोई फंक्शन भी हो सकता है बर्थडे आप बता दीजिए व्हाट द सेलिब्रेशन इज फॉर What is this cake for? What is this celebration for? Are you from Pak High Commission?
What is this cake for?
From Pak High Commission?
Are you from Pakistan High Commission? सर एक सवाल है सर आप पाकिस्तान
Where are you from, sir?
सर एक सवाल है ये केक
ओकेजन क्या है बता दीजिए ओकेजन क्या है
सर ओकेजन
28 लोग मरे हैं तो थोड़ा सा बताइए ना दुख है इस बात का
व्हाट इज सर आप कहां से आए
28
हैं
लोग
क्या
मरे हैं
जानकारी
तो
के
बता
साथ
दीजिए दुख है इस बात का
गाड़ी तो कहीं ना कहीं गाड़ी तो बैठेगा ही कल समन किया गया था पाकिस्तान हाई कमीशन से क्या रिस्पॉन्स है
कब बैठक में कई बड़े निर्णय लिए गए हैं पाक के जो राजनयिक हैं उनको एक सप्ताह में भारत छोड़ने का आदेश दिया गया है
विद इंडियन ऑफिशियल्स
को अपने हाथों में
थोड़ा बताइए ना
कैन यू प्लीज टेल अस हु आर यू
कि वो बोल नहीं रहे हैं किस
व्हाट
वजह
इज
से क्या
पाकिस्तान हाई कमीशन से क्या
लेकर जा रहे हैं कौन सी खुशी है आज कुछ है क्या कोई बात नहीं आपके यहाँ कोई फंक्शन भी हो सकता है बर्थडे आप बता दीजिए
जब कहाँ से हो आप अपना एक बार परिचय डेजिग्नेशन बताइए और ये सेलिब्रेशन किस लिए है
ये तो बता ही सकते हैं किस वजह से जा रहे हैं क्या वजह है वो केक लेकर जा रहे हैं
कल समन किया गया था पाकिस्तान हाई कमीशन से क्या रिस्पॉन्स है
कब बैठक में कई बड़े निर्णय लिए गए हैं पाक के जो राजनयिक हैं उनको एक सप्ताह में भारत छोड़ने का आदेश दिया गया है
विद इंडियन ऑफिशियल्स
को अपने हाथों में
थोड़ा बताइए ना
कैन यू प्लीज टेल अस हु आर यू
कि वो बोल नहीं रहे हैं किस
व्हाट
वजह
इज
से क्या
So you saw there, viewers, that is the shameless Pakistan for you, and this is why that country does not deserve any mercy. A Pakistani High Commission person taking a cake inside the office. Why was it done? Where was this being taken? And what was the reason behind making such a move at a time when the entire country is mourning the victims of the Pahalgam terror attack? This is the shamelessness that Pakistan displays again and again and again. My colleague Shivani is with us on the broadcast. Shivani, what exactly happened there? What transpired? We just saw, you confronting this person, but clearly no divulgence of details on the part of this person.
Well, as of yet, as well, we are at this Pakistan High Commission, and as you can see through the visual, there is a moment of silence completely, but there were few vehicles, those who moved in, and we can clearly sense that they were taking cake inside, and clearly we have seen that how it is a moment of celebration. A cake is a symbol of celebration that is being seen always, and henceforth that person was moving through this place, and as you can see, this is the entire Pakistan High Commission, wherein the person was heading in, and he was clearly one employee who stays inside this High Commission, and henceforth no verification was done at the gate. So clearly we can understand that he is someone who is inside, but we also have to understand not that this is that the shamelessness is there within the Pakistan, because it is being followed for years now. But today, as we can see, when there are the countries in grief where they are right now present, they are celebrating, or what are they exactly doing with a box of cake? Because we have seen that constantly Pakistan has denied this attack, any connection with this attack, but clearly they have mourned the grief of the people, those who have lost their lives in, and they are saying that we are supporting those families, we are standing by those families, those who have lost their loved ones in the attack that took place here. But clearly now a box of cake is heading inside the Pakistan Commission, giving us a statement that they are shameless, they want to celebrate, and they do not really care what exactly is transpiring here and what sort of action has been taken against them. And henceforth there was a movement that we could observe here, that a box of cake went inside, and after that a series of vehicles that has also gone inside the Pakistan High Commission. We can understand, but very interesting visual that I will tell you, that after that very particular incident, now the security has been decreased. As you can see, as of yet, earlier also, since the attack had taken place, there was security, those were tightened up here, level of security was high. In fact, media or even a normal vehicle was not allowed here to even make a move or even stand. But today we are reporting from the ground right outside the gate of the Pakistan High Commission, which has given a significant symbol from India as well, that we do not really care for you, and henceforth we are not going to, keep our soldiers, keep our security forces standing to protect you. And henceforth security has been downfalled, and clearly a statement has been given by this very particular action of bringing the box of cake inside. It seems that it is a symbol to show that we do not care, we do not hold the responsibility of the attack, and henceforth we will roam freely how we have always been doing.
That's right, Shivani. Just, that shamelessness that Pakistan has always associated with and displayed, even at a time when India has taken such stern diplomatic action against them, and the potential military strike might also be on the cards. But let's also play for our viewers, that entire sequence of events that my colleague Shivani had with this person, who absolutely shamelessly, viewers, took a cake inside the Pakistan High Commission at a time when Pakistan is being blamed for the terror attack. Why was this celebration being made inside? Take a look at that entire sequence.
What is this cake for? Are you from
पाकिस्तान हाई कमीशन
Commission?
सर एक सवाल है सर आप पाकिस्तान
What is this?
सर एक सवाल है ये केक
ओकेजन क्या है, बता दीजिए ओकेजन क्या है।
सर ओकेजन
28 लोग मरे हैं, थोड़ा सा बताइए ना, दुख है इस बात का।
What is sir, आप कहाँ से आए हैं, क्या जानकारी के साथ हैं?
दुख है इस बात का।
What is this cake for? Are you from
पाकिस्तान हाई कमीशन सर एक सवाल है सर आप पाकिस्तान
What is this?
सर एक सवाल है ये केक
ओकेजन क्या है, बता दीजिए ओकेजन क्या है।
सर ओकेजन
28 लोग मरे हैं, थोड़ा सा बताइए ना, दुख है इस बात का।
What is sir, आप कहाँ से आए हैं, क्या जानकारी के साथ हैं?
दुख है इस बात का।
What is this cake for? Are you from
पाकिस्तान हाई कमीशन सर एक सवाल है सर आप पाकिस्तान
What is this?
सर एक सवाल है ये केक
ओकेजन क्या है, बता दीजिए ओकेजन क्या है।
सर ओकेजन
28 लोग मरे हैं, थोड़ा सा बताइए ना, दुख है इस बात का।
What is sir, आप कहाँ से आए हैं, क्या जानकारी के साथ हैं?
दुख है इस बात का।
On the broadcast, I'm joined by Colonel V.N. Thapar. Colonel Thapar, just look at the shamelessness with Pakistan is operating at the moment. They refuse to take the responsibility for this terror attack, which clearly points, and all the evidence points, to Pakistan links of these terrorists. And here, in the national capital, at the Pakistan High Commission, they're celebrating with a cake.
Well, I don't know why we should be witness to such scenes. They are half human beings. They are not full human beings. And therefore, this diplomat or whoever it is should have been sent out of India immediately, irrespective of the 48 hours that have been laid. Secondly, at present, these are all cosmetic reactions. But the real terror in their heart is known to the Pakistanis. I believe that the water that is going to hit them hard very soon, they will stop making cakes in Pakistan altogether. Take my word for that, because that is where the real hurt is going to come. These are all cosmetic things to try and cover up for the shameless act of theirs. No human being, even a hardened criminal, will not do the kind of things that they have done in the name of religion. That's shameless, absolutely. So he should have been removed, and so should all the staff that is not required here, because they'll continue to create such mischief. And I personally believe that though the excellent move in suspending the Indus Water Treaty, I think it should have been followed by a certain reduction in the water supply to them, so that they know how they should behave internationally. They're very bad and most unbecoming. They are subhumans who celebrate death. They are subhumans, not human beings. So therefore, I mean, they are like at the base level, absolutely, to say the least. And then they involve their religion into it. So that is what it is. I have no time for this. He should have been kicked out of India then and there.
Okay. Colonel Thapar, thanks very much for joining us on the broadcast and sharing your perspective. Viewers, I'm also joined by my colleague Pradeep Datta. Pradeep, Colonel Thapar, understandably extremely angry, just like most citizens of this country are today, with this kind of, act by the Pakistan High Commission official at a time when the government of India has completely degraded the diplomatic ties with Pakistan for the kind of terrorism that it has been perpetrating on Indian soil, this time, of course, targeting unarmed innocent civilians.
Yes, the government of India has sent a message loud and clear, because earlier, whenever there used to be terror-related activity, Prime Minister used to say talks and terror can't go together. But now they have gone one step further. The government of India, during the CCS meeting that was chaired by Prime Minister for 2.5 hours, they have sent a message loud and clear: water and blood can't flow together. We will not send you water if you keep on spilling the blood of innocent people on Indian side. That's the message that has been conveyed loud and clear to them. Because this treaty, if we talk about 1960 Indus Water Treaty that was brokered by World Bank, this treaty had survived 1971 war, even Kargil conflict, even 26/11 attack. But this time, government of India decided that they have to make Pakistan come on knees, because it's going to hit them hard and hurt them most. Reason being that Pakistan economy is totally dependent on water, and water is being used as a weapon this time by India. That's why they have unleashed this strategy. And right now, you can see that what Pakistan is indulging in. They don't deserve mercy, because short while back you had been interacting with my colleague, also Shivani, in this regard. What is there to celebrate while the country is mourning, and where everybody is grief-stricken because of the massacre of innocent unarmed tourists in Kashmir Valley, and Pakistan seems to be celebrating? What for they are taking cake inside? I think no human being will ever indulge in such things. They will keep on denying their role, but how they are going to say no to this thing? Because here is a cake, the man is going inside the Pakistan embassy, and they are going to celebrate with the cake. What actually they want to do? Because normally also, if somebody has died in a neighborhood, people don't go for celebration of the birthday or any of the function is organized. I think Pakistan has lost everything. The basic that human qualities, they don't deserve to be pardoned, and no mercy needs to be shown. That's one of the reasons that the government this time decided to go for surgical strike on economic front as well as on the diplomatic front. Because in 2016, when they carried out attack on Indian army camp in Uri, that time first surgical strike was launched. That time the Indian forces went deep inside Pakistani territory, and they were able to destroy their launch pads. And in 2019, there was a Balakot strike, and now this time it's an economic
Pradeep, so of course, Pakistan continuing its heinous acts against India and Indians, but that doesn't deter the spirit of India, the resilience of India. Right now, I'm also joined by General Vishnu Chaturvedi on the broadcast. General Chaturvedi, I'm sure you know how Pakistan has been operating, has been displaying the kind of shamelessness that it has once again displayed at the Pakistan High Commission. My colleague Shivani even tried to, understand who this person is and why this person is taking a cake inside the Pakistan High Commission, when they in fact should be very worried about the kind of steps and action that government of India has taken against them.
I totally agree with you. This is deplorable, abhorrible, and I can only say that it is very much expected of these people who lack the basic courtesies of being a human being. And that is what they were the ones during Kargil. They did not accept the bodies of the martyrs of Northern Light Infantry. These are those people, those who continue to deny that. So you don't expect anything better than this from these people who hardly know what international relations are, what human relations are, and what the basic courtesies and grace is. They lack all these things, and they lack the basic human qualities.
Right. General Vishnu Chaturvedi, thanks very much for joining us on Times Now and sharing your perspective. Viewers, we will keep getting you the latest minute-to-minute updates of what's happening here in Jammu and Kashmir as well as in the national capital. Right now, it's time for a short break. Stay tuned. On the other side, we get you more updates.